So we sat out in those woods all day long today. And I mean, it was cold and it was windy and it was rainy. And you know what we saw? Turkeys. They were everywhere. Actually, we saw about 3 or 4 of them, so they weren't everywhere. But at the end of the night, I got a crack at a buck. A little buck. No luck. I struck out. I missed him. I'm glad I did. Hey man, so we was out there trying to get those deers all day. We see turkeys, man, just a bunch of turkeys. Then at the very end, this one crazy freaking retardo big little guy. That's right, he came out late, man. And I was gonna shoot him, but no, it didn't happen. So we're gonna try again tomorrow, I say. Hasta mañana.
Alright, decided to hang a new set out here. This is a spot Jeremy's been wanting to hang a ladder. It's right on the edge of a food plot. Got some clover out there, so game on. Alright, down to the wire now. Only got tonight, tomorrow morning, and tomorrow evening left to hunt. I've had one opportunity at a little buck so far, and that's it. So tonight we relocated in a brand new set. Just hung this ladder stand, and I'm overlooking a real nice clover food. Fingers crossed. Plot here. I think Jeremy's gonna head over to the other side of that pine thicket over there. There's a ton of rubs and scrapes on the other side of this food plot here, so obviously there's some fresh sign, and hopefully we'll get to see one of those bucks that's been doing it. I'm just really excited to be up here though. Good luck to Jeremy, good luck to me. Bow Soldiers 2018-2019.